From this screen, press Home button to bring you home. Make sure your Wi-Fi is set up. For Live TV, press Live TV. Press Guide to pull up TV Guide. Press Red for category. At the bottom of the TV, there are colors that you can coordinate with your remote. You can skip pages using the channel button. From here, you're able to view your favorite channels. Here's another preview of page skipping. You can also access the favorite by selecting Favorite on your remote. This only works outside of Guide. You can also quick select Category on your remote. Again, only works outside of Guide. Choose your category, and from here you're able to add to Favorite. Note that when you select a category, the guide now becomes your selection. Select All to view all. To save to Favorite, select the channel, view on full screen, then follow the corresponding colors on your remote. If you know what you want to view, old or new, then hit VOD, Video on Demand. To quick search, press the magnifying glass on your remote. Search by actor or title. You may also perform this to find your live channel. There are options for the screen size and captions. Power button for the device located on the right. You may also configure this controller to sync with your TV.